Hi, my name is Nafisa Gupta. I am studying in PEC, Punjab Engineering College in the field of IT, and I have been placed in American Express, which is a servicing company. And I basically got through my internship, which had the entire process very similar to the placement process, and I got a pre-placement offer from American Express. So I'll be talking about my internship process. So initially we had a written test, and half of it was aptitude and half of it was core IT, and we were given around 30 minutes for each. It was a subjective objective mixed paper, and the aptitude test was pretty difficult. I would say it just had around 4 questions. There were big problems, complex problems, and the core was consisted of around 30 questions, like a minute each per question, and it was about Java, JavaScript, XML, C++, basic languages. And after we cleared the test, we were called for a GD process, and my GD topic was why can't India have companies like Apple, Google and some other like successful companies? Why can't India have those companies? So we spoke around, it was a panel, the GD panel was small, it was around 8 members, the group was around 8 members, and so it was a peaceful discussion, and after that the shortlisted candidates, they were called for interviews, and so they were around, each of us had to undergo two interviews, and there was a panel of 3 and another was a panel of 1. So in the panel of 1, I was interviewed by a guy in his mid 50s, I would say. He was a technical person, and he asked me about, but the interview was a very HR, I would say HR based interview, and he started with around, he started about how can you, do you know how to make a switch which could turn on a fan which is off, like the opposite circuit of the switch. So I told him he could just reverse the wires in the back, and he said no, that is not right. And then he asked me to, there was in the room we were sitting in, there was a tube light which was actually fused, it was black in the ends, but he told me that prove to me that this tube light is on. So I had to speak on it around for a minute, and then he stopped me, and then he said, why do you have different pronunciations of Z or Z in English? So I told something, but I couldn't make out whether he was convinced or not. So when I came out of the interview, I was pretty nervous, and I thought I had basically not done well in the interview, and he was a very, I don't know, I thought him to be a very sort of, how should I put it, aggressive person, and but as luck would have it, I cleared the interview, and then I was processed to the second stage of the interview. So as I mentioned, the panel had 3 members, 2 ladies and a guy, and so they started asking me about my branch IT, what subjects we were studying currently and what we had done. They had my mark sheet with them, and I told them about the subjects, and then they asked me a question on SQL, that is databases, and I solved that question, and then they had a paper board with them, and they asked me to sell that paper board to the HR person sitting there, and I'm pretty interested in origami, so I knew how to make a much more attractive board of the same paper, and I told them I could transform the board into a better board, and they gave me some time on that, and they were smiling. I transformed the board and I sold the better board, and it was definitely a more attractive one to the HR sitting there, and they were impressed, I think. And after that, just asked it for around 1-2 minutes more, and they just wanted to know about my basic family background and other things about Chandigarh which I might like, and how I would adjust if I would be comfortable in Gurgaon living in a PG for the first time, since I was a day scholar here and I have my home here. I have spent literally all my life in Chandigarh, so they asked me about if I would be comfortable in Gurgaon, and I gave them an affirmative on that, and that's so that is how I got through the internship process, and I spent around 6 months in American Express. I was given the project of enhancement tracker, and I did well in the project, and they gave me a PPO, and so now I am placed in American Express.